to another video, and today we will be working on the BMW. So what we got today is we are putting some carbon fiber on. So we got a carbon fiber duckbill right here. We also have these side mirror covers and these little spats that go in the rear bumper. These are more like cheap, it's like not even a real carbon fiber, just like I think like hydro dip, or I'm not sure. These are like in between there, and this duckbill is actually carbon fiber, so it's pretty cool. I have a duckbill on already, but I wanted this one because it's a little more aggressive and it's carbon fiber, and the other one's just like plasticky. I'm gonna go ahead and start with these mirror covers. I did go ahead and put one off camera just so you won't see me struggle. But it does come with this tool to take them out without damaging it. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you on the other one. Doing it, just start from here and just go down all around until it just comes off. And when you're putting these on, try to start with this side and try to just kind of angle it in there and clip it in. Mirrors, it does look kind of cheap compared to, you know, actual carbon fiber, but you know, it does give it a lot better look. So here's the old and here's the new. Little difference. This one's a little meaner and carbon fiber obviously, but let's go ahead and take this one off. Now I have to go ahead and clean off the old residue. We got all that residue cleaned off and it was a pain, but go ahead and clean off the surface, and I'm gonna try to get some tape and I'm gonna align my wing so I know where to put it, and I'm gonna go ahead and put double-sided tape under the wing. So I got my surface nice and cleaned. I got my double-sided tape on. Not the best job, but it should hold. Alright, so I kind of forgot to press record when I was putting it on there, but we got it on there. I did go ahead and just holded it down in each spot for like a couple of minutes, like a minute or two, just to set it down to make sure that double-sided tape sits on there pretty good. But it's on there pretty nicely now. Get it used, so it does have like the sticker. They had like a sticker on here, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to get like some gasoline and try to wipe that off. Alright guys, so I think the last clip I showed of me doing the Duckbill was putting this on, and it's been a couple of weeks and it's still on there, and I just been contemplating about putting these things on, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that today. Alright, so I went ahead and did one. Looks pretty cool, cool little feature I guess, but it's pretty easy. There's 4 bolts right there already holding like the little mud flap, so I did just reuse 3 of them. One hole like right here, because that's kind of where it matches the hole from right there. Then once I drill that hole, I'm gonna mount it and then get a marker and just mark at the bottom too the other holes, and then go from there. The rear spats look, little details. I did go ahead and wash this beauty as well. Alright guys, so that's pretty much the end of this video. I finished the mirrors right here. These came out so cool. I freaking love how it looks with that. Then we got the Duckbill all good to go as well, not going nowhere. Then I also got those little rear bumper spats. It's a cool little look, not very noticeable, but you know, it gives it a little detail. But this thing is looking so good now. The Duckbill looks so cool. The mirrors just give it a different look, and those little spats give it a little details, you know, little details that matter. It's not the perfect body, but I mean, it's so aggressive. You can, I don't know, I just love it. I also did add this little lip. I'm gonna go ahead and save that for the next video. But this thing is looking so sick. I am in love. For this video guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video where I will be installing the front lip on the Beamer. But thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more content.